Newired Digital Adoption Platform brings in-application, step-by-step guidance into any web application. What you see here is a CRM application that you have likely never seen before, and this is actually good for our demonstration because it simulates usual situation of user onboarding. We can see that the Newired on-screen guidance can easily explain the different parts, pages, and components of the target application in so-called product tour. But more importantly, with Newired, users do not require an upfront training. If you need assistance with a use case, for example, how to create an account, you just start the journey and you see it guides you through the procedure step by step directly in the product.